look at some of the damage. Evan Hinckley's in Patton Township with more on how folks there have been impacted. Evan?
Yeah, that's right, John. Man, as you can see behind me, 50 to 60-foot trees down on some power lines here, specifically in the Park Forest neighborhood here in Patton Township. Now, unfortunately, in this case, no one was injured as a result of this tree being down. Crews were on scene very quickly, and as you can see behind me, still working to treat and clear the scene here. But other spots, there were some injuries that were sustained, and that put first responders on high alert. Monday morning, a 100-foot tree fell on the sunroom area of a home on Breezewood Drive in Ferguson Township. An 86-year-old woman was inside that exact room when the tree collapsed. She was trapped by a section of roof for nearly an hour while fire crews worked to stabilize the home.
We had to do that to ensure for her safety that nothing shifted while we were trying to get her out, and for all the responders' safety.
Officials report the woman was taken to the hospital in stable condition. Beyond posing a risk to homeowners, fire officials say the wind can also make their jobs tougher. Even aiming a fire hose into the flames isn't straightforward.
Where the wind comes into play is it blowing it out of the way, breaking the streams up that they're not doing what we want them to do, and getting the water into the fires where we need it.
And beyond concerns from firefighters, I also spoke with some local homeowners here who said they have concerns anytime 50-mile-per-hour winds or higher roll into the area. And coming up tonight at 6, I'll be able to tell you some of the safety tips to keep yourself safe from both down power lines and what you can do to stay safe inside of your home when high winds roll in. But for now, reporting live here in Patton Township, Center County, Evan Hinckley, WTAJ News.